We'll guide you through how to change perspective in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and type CapCut into the search box. Launch the CapCut application from the search results and wait for CapCut to load completely before continuing. Open an existing project or create a new one if you are starting from scratch. Import the video that you want to edit if it is not already included in the project. Then drag the video onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Click the Effects tab from the top toolbar to access the available visual effects. Use the search box to find the Player 3 effect, which provides controls that can help create a perspective adjustment. After locating the effect, drag the Player 3 effect onto the effects track above your video clip on the timeline. Wait for the effect to be applied, then click the Applied Player 3 effect on the timeline to open its settings in the Properties panel. Locate the Rotate control within the Effect Settings panel and review the available adjustment options. Drag the Rotate slider to begin changing the perspective of the video. Continue adjusting the slider while watching the preview until the video reaches the viewing angle that best matches your desired effect. Fine-tune the rotation value carefully to create a natural-looking perspective without making the video appear distorted or difficult to watch. Preview the video in the playback window to review the perspective change and observe how the effect appears during playback. Watch different sections of the clip to ensure the perspective adjustment remains consistent throughout the edited sequence. Play the video again from the beginning to ensure the perspective effect looks smooth from start to finish and blends naturally with the surrounding content. Once you are satisfied with the result, save your project to preserve the applied effect and all other editing changes for future editing.